ఈ సాంగ్ చాలా బాధతో పాడాలి. కుదరనుందా? కళ్ళకు నీళ్ళు నాకు రావు. ఓకే, let me get into that thing. Again and again I've been trying. Alright, 1, 2, 3. मोहब्बत की झूठी ये कहानी पे रोए, मोहब्बत की झूठी ये कहानी पे रोए, मोहब्बत की झूठी ये कहानी पे रोए, बड़े झूठ ताए जवानी पे रोए, जवानी पे रोए, मोहब्बत की झूठी ये कहानी पे रोए, कहानी पे रोए। न सोचा न समझा न देखा न बाला, तेरी आरज़ू ने हमें मार डाला, तेरी प्यार की मेहरबानी पे रोए, मोहब्बत की झूठी ये कहानी पे रोए, बड़ी झूठ ताए जवानी पे रोए, जवानी पे रोए, खबर क्या थी होठों को सीना पड़ेगा, जिए तो मगर जिंदगानी पे रोए, मोहब्बत की झूठी ये कहानी पे रोए, कहानी पे रोए, बड़े झूठ ताए जवानी पे रोए, जवानी पे रोए, मोहब्बत की झूठी ये कहानी पे रोए, कहानी पे रोए. Cut. So she was Anarkali. She was in love with the prince, mutual love, Salim, son of Akbar. See, look at the fate of those who were born as a prince. They don't have the freedom to love anybody they wish. So Akbar denies. They end up in chaos. Even I don't know if he killed or his son, his own son. And look at not Jodha, Anarkali. Look at her fate, and I don't know what's the end of the story. So basically, if you look at that, being born as a prince, if you look at the Ottoman Empire, Turkish Empire, Delhi Sultanate, so many kingdoms, being born as a prince or a princess, they have to struggle because they're going to kill regardless whether you're a brother or a sister, siblings. They don't care. They kill just for the sake of the power, for the ruling. So it's all like comfort, luxury, but end of the day, they never know when they're going to be killed. So that's the history of being a prince, being born to a king. So anyway, see the Moghul-E-Azam movie. I can't watch the whole movie, but it's a musical hit. Superb songs అసలు. అంటే అన్నీ కాదు, జస్ట్ 2-3. కృష్ణుడి మీద అదే జోధా. So look at Akbar. He was in love with Jodha. She was a Rajput princess. So he wants to marry her, even though she's not a Muslim, by force. And then Akbar was an emperor. He has the power, everything. So unfortunately, they had to agree. But end of the day, he did care a lot about Jodha. The highest priority, she was the queen. That's why they call Jodha Akbar. And Akbar honored Hindu traditions and everything. No taxation. Earlier, they used to collect the taxes in order to visit the temples, Hindu temples. So he avoided all that. He gave a big honor to Jodha as his primary queen. So Akbar has changed a lot after marrying Jodha. Yeah. సో ఆయన ప్రేమను పండించుకున్నాడు కానీ కొడుకు ప్రేమని అట్లా చేసి పారేశాడు. సో జస్ట్ ఫర్ ద సేక్ ఆఫ్ ప్రెస్టేజ్. ఆయనేమో ఎంపరరు, ఈమెమో రాజనర్తకి. సో ప్రేమ గొప్పదా, స్టేటస్ గొప్పదా అనేది. సో ఎనీవేస్, థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ లిజనింగ్. బై బాయ్.